Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I installed this glueless wig. So I wanted to give a huge shout out to Yolissa Hair Company for working with me in today's video. I'm just showing you guys what I received in my package. So I got a wig cap, a satin scarf, some eyelashes, a melt band, and of course the wig itself. So this was a 26-inch wig, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. We also got these tapes for it as well. But guys, look at the hairline. It is pre-plucked. So I'm showing you guys the inside of the wig where we have 2 combs at the side and 1 comb at the back. And then of course we have the adjustable band that makes the wig glueless. So you can adjust this band and make it as tight or as loose as you would like it. And it is also removable if you do not want it. So that is great. But this already came cut for you. The knots were bleached, as you can see, and this is a 5x5 closure, just in case you're wondering. And I'm showing you guys as well how it looks on my skin. So I'm also just showing you guys the back of the wig and the curls. If you guys are not new here, you know I love me some water wave curls. So this is how the wig is looking in its natural state, and it is beautiful. So we're gonna jump straight into installing this wig. So of course my hair is braided back into 6 straight back braids. You wanna make sure your braids are nice and flat. And then I'm going in with my Too Faced concealer in the color caramel and my makeup brush, and I am just going to apply that concealer to the back of the lace, and as well just tap it on to the front portion of the hairline as well. Once I've done that, I'm just going to go ahead and put on the wig. So I'm going to use the comb at the back and just stick it in between my braids and just pull the wig up. At this point, you would also want to make sure that you adjust the band. So if the wig feels too loose or too tight, that's when you go ahead and adjust that adjustable band. But as you can see, the wig is fitting my head nice and snug. So after just putting on the wig, this is how it's looking, guys, just like that. So I'm just showing you guys, I could take it off, put it on, you know, we're good to go. So you need absolutely no glue for this. This is glueless. So I decided I was going to go in with my Paris hair wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm just going to flatten out that top portion just so that my wig is laying nice and flat and sleek. This is not, it's definitely not needed, but I do think it makes a difference. So you can decide if this is something you would like to do. I will show you guys both sides. Let me know if you guys see the difference. I think there's a difference, but let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Let me know, do you guys feel like the wax stick and the hot comb is necessary or no? Let me know. So this is a better look as to how each side looks. Let me know down below, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the wax stick to the other side as well. Use my hot comb, and then we're gonna continue. So once I'm done using the hot comb, I'm just going in with my comb and I'm just combing through that top part of my hair. You want to make sure it looks nice and flat, just in case you want to go over it a bit more. So once that's done, I'm using my tail comb and I'm just going to part out the sections that I will be using as my baby hairs. And I am going in with my hot comb to just press it down towards my face. And once I've done that, I will be using my scissors to cut them. I do like using my mini flat iron to just curl them. It makes it a lot easier to style the baby hairs. So if you do have a little flat iron, you can go ahead and do this as well. It is not necessary. It just makes it a lot easier. And once I've curled them, I am just going to brush them in the direction kind of like how I want to style it. And I'll be using my ebony spray to just hold it down. And then I'm going to use my edge brush and just style them. So guys, now that I did my little edges, this is how it is looking. Do you guys see how simple this was? Like, you don't even need to do edges if you don't like it, but this is how the hair is looking in its natural state, and I love it like this. I absolutely love it like this. I'm gonna go ahead and just use some of my BioSilk and just add it to the hair. You do not need a lot of this product, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it all throughout the curls. And this is just to give it some shine, to kind of bring the curls back together, since I did comb it and stuff like that. But I definitely prefer these curls and the way it looks in the natural state when it is dried compared to it being wet. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys also how it looks wet. So this was definitely my final look. So of course I went in with some shine spray. The shine spray that I used today was the BioSilk. So I just went ahead and sprayed that all over, tapped it on the top, you know, all that good stuff. But I'm going to show you guys, I went off camera, wet the hair, came back, so I'm going to show you guys how it looks. So this is how it looks wet. It just has more of a relaxed type of curl. It's a bit flatter, it's not doing too much, you know, but I like the puffiness. So I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Yolissa Hair Company for working with me in today's video, for sending over this beautiful wig. It is a 26-inch water wave wig. All the details will be down in my description below. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.